Today again we have taken the decision that containment measures from 31st May which is supposed to be ended will be extended till further orders. This is for the entire state. Containment measures will be further extended from 31st May 2021 till further orders. These containments are as follows. Containment measures are as follows. Political, public, social and religious gatherings are not permitted, including conferences, meeting and training. Number 2, entry of tourists from outside the state shall not be permitted, and all tourist spots shall remain closed. Number 3, sports activities are not permitted. Number 4, interstate movement of persons shall be restricted. But this restriction will not be applicable to the transit vehicle who has to pass through the state of Meghalaya. Number 6, international border trade, or in other words, exports activities will be allowed, but regulation is entrusted to the concerned deputy commissioners to issue and also to regulate accordingly. And the next point is, again, the government has authorized all deputy commissioners to impose restrictions in their district depending on the local situation, and also SDO civils needs to be authorized in their respective jurisdiction.